So Easytrim is a manufacturer of aluminum trims for fiber cement, and we have capitalized on the modern architectural design that we see sweeping the neighborhoods right now. So renovations, new construction, everybody is trying to individualize their home, trying to give it that individual fingerprint. And in order to do that, our trims provide that extra element that says modern. So if you look at fiber cement panels, you can now take a fiber cement panel and have it mimic a more expensive ACM type panel. You're going to get low maintenance, low cost, but we've also been asked to create trims for fiber cement lap products. So if you look at this display board here, what you'll see are one-piece aluminum corners. They will never pull apart as you would get with two-piece corners. They're blind nailed, they're caulk-free. So it's a great way to introduce yourself to the modern side of architecture with the modern element by going with the extruded aluminum corner. Then you can also mix and match. If you'll notice here, this is an outside corner that transitions from lap product, 3/4 inch opening, to a panel, so that now we can again sort of have just an unlimited set of options in terms of design. Our products are known for ease of installation as well as water shedding capabilities. So I don't know if I can you? So all of our corner trims have a little bump in it called Easy Bump, and it serves two purposes. One, it is a water management feature, so that when the fiber cement gets laid inside, it raises the back plate off the back of the fiber cement so that water doesn't, through capillary actions, get squeezed back to the nail holes. Also, as an installation efficiency, all of our horizontal profiles slide into the vertical profiles that have the Easy Bump. So it's almost like a Lego system, so that installers are able to quickly get on and off the job. We talk about de-skilling the job so that you're not having to cut to within a 30-second to make these things butt up against one another. They just slide in for ease of use. We also have something called Easy Lock, which is our two-piece vertical. Traditionally, the vertical profile is just a single piece. There are tabs that get in the way, so the fiber cement has to be finagled and massaged into place. With this profile, you put it on the wall first. The fiber cement gets rested in the backplate area, and it is capped off with a top cap. Because we have half-inch tabs, the installer has a half-inch of play on three sides of the board. So again, it's an installation efficiency for the installer so that they are able to use much rougher cuts, be able to get the product on the wall, have it look great, and get off the job, get paid, and move on to another job. As well as, I believe, for water management, all of our horizontal profiles have an 8-degree slope on them. Anybody that's used fiber cement knows that one of the main commandments is you have to leave, thou shalt leave an inch between the bottom of a fiber cement surface and a hard surface. And with our 8-degree slope, you can actually rest the fiber cement on the horizontal. Gravity wicks the water away and does not take it back into the fiber cement. And by doing that, we're able to create the illusion that the panel is rimmed like inside of a picture frame. So it looks as though it's actually sitting inside of a picture frame, whereas it's actually just sitting on a downward sloping ledge. We also have the lap profiles. So for lap trims, we have things like this, the arrow corner, as well as our X corner. And again, just gives the designers a number of different choices, a number of different options to create that those modern elements that today's homeowners are looking for. And again, because it's caulk-free and blind nailed, we're looking at responsibility-free maintenance cycles where you don't have to put the caulk in the first place, you don't have to maintain caulk over a long period of time, and gravity just pulls the water away and sheds it from the wall assembly.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome.
And where can you get the product?
The product is available at any one-stepper that sells direct to the installer. You can also pick it up at lumber yards. So we do have distribution across North America, and if you're looking for it in Canada, companies like Roofmart, Convoy, any of your local lumber yards would have access to it. Clear anodized finishes, silver, clear anodized, black anodized. We also have primed material. So if you wanted to use primed fiber cement and primed Easytrim, everything goes on the wall. You tape your openings, spray it, you get one color, and instead of getting a bold contrast, you get more of a subtle, sublimated shadow line.
Excellent. David, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.